Well, we expect a very well organized and wonderful convention that will further strengthen and unite the party. You can see that the feeling here is more of a festive one. There's no tension, there's no rancor, because a lot of spade work has been done, and a lot of the offices have been arrived at by consensus. So the usual rivalry and tension and division that might arise from elective offices will likely not arise here, because most of the offices have more or less been arrived at by consensus. So it's a formality, and one that we believe will strengthen the party and make it stronger.
When you see other political parties, they are unable to put themselves together, they are unable to create that unity of purpose, they are unable to lock into the aspirations of their members the way we have done, they begin to look for who to blame, but it's actually their own problem. But this party is on course, and Nigerians should have confidence in the party because of how we have been able to put ourselves together. We can put the country together.
The security architecture, network and arrangement is top notch, and you can see how people are now moving freely inside the arcade arena. And of course the arrangement top notch. You don't need to look too far before you can locate where you are going. And just like the way I have encapsulated it earlier on, that the only error I've seen with all the arrangements and everything called, or you can attribute to an occasion like this of national level, is that I've not been able to locate any error at all. So that's the only error or mistake I can say. I've not been able to see any mistake in what they have put in place at all. So otherwise, I'm not a sycophant. I say it the way it is. So all the organizers, everybody, including myself, as part and member of the some of the subcommittees.